We will make this e-commerce intercom conversation design bot, and I'm gonna show you a preview of it. So customer sends their first message. Hi, how can I help you today? Please select the appliance you need assistance with. Oven, blender, toaster, you can add as much as you want. Let's say I need help with my oven that I bought. What is the issue? How to clean isn't turning on, general inquiry. So I'm gonna say how to clean. It's gonna say how to clean, and then I can choose a different appliance or oven options again. And I can say isn't turning on, and it's gonna do the same. So I think this demonstrates if I choose different appliance, I can choose something else. Let's go to automation, and let's create a new workflow from scratch. Customer sends their first message or reusable workflow, whatever trigger you want here. Or it should be maybe a customer visits page, but let's keep it like this for now. Okay, and then we're gonna add step. We're gonna send a message. So the message that we're gonna send, you can find this file in the description below. So you can download it or just type following this tutorial. So first one is gonna be this one, hi, how can I help you today, etc. So we're just gonna send this message. And then we're gonna have some options, oven, blender, toaster. So you can add whatever options you want, but let me add those three. Oven, blender, and toaster. So if user selects oven, we're gonna send a message like this, was the issue with oven, and then give some reply buttons. The first one, how to clean, isn't turning on. And general inquiry. So I'm not sure if I'm going too quickly, but if I am, please tell me in the comments below. If user sends, clicks how to clean, we want to send this message. So go here and add a message and send this. And then what I want to do is create a new message. So when user gets answer, I'm just going to say, please select the appliance you need assistance with again. And I will give it this few. So actually what you can do is you can ask user. So here's what you can do. You can ask user, do you want to go back to choosing, or do you want to choose a different appliance, or go back to oven options. And then we're gonna say buttons. Choose different appliance, oven options. And then oven options goes back to this one. And then different appliance goes to this one. So please select the appliance you need assistance with. I'm just making a new one instead of this one, because here I have, hi, how can I help you today? And I don't want to have that. I only want to have that the first time. So I'm going to say oven, blender, and this one is going to be toaster. So oven goes back to this one, oven. And let me rename this to, for example, oven. And I can rename this how to clean oven. Then let's implement isn't turning on. So I'm gonna just copy this one, this. That's gonna be isn't turning on. Send a message. And I think I will just copy this, although we can extract this to a different field as well. So let me send this message again. and then give it these options, reply buttons and oven options. And so this one goes to, so let me rename this to choose a different appliance. This is oven isn't turning on. So this one goes to connect to selected path, choose different appliance, and oven options goes to oven, like this. And maybe I can rename this to oven options. So general inquiry, we will just go to please ask, or please explain your question in more detail. And then we are gonna say collect customer reply and let Finn answer. So this is general inquiry. And I think that's it. And talk to a person, we're gonna say convert to a ticket. And that's it. Our agents will be in touch with you shortly. And then this should go to choose a different appliance. Now let's go back to the beginning, and here Blender, I'm gonna say what is the issue with your blender. You can copy it from here. And then we have all these three options. How to clean isn't turning on. So let me say, not message, let me delete this, and I'm gonna say buttons. How to clean isn't turning on. And the last one is going to be general inquiry. And then I wanna just, you can make a separate general inquiry, or you can connect it to general inquiry like this, I think. So please explain your question in more detail. Mention what appliance the question is about. This is one way to do it, but you can do it in different ways. So how to clean, let's send a message. So for Blender, it's gonna be this message. And then what we do is we ask this same. So this is how to clean Blender. So we ask the same, like, do you want to choose different or go back to Blender options? And so here we say reply buttons, different appliance, and Blender options. So I think we rename this to Blender options. And now we go ahead and say different appliance should connect to choose a different appliance, and Blender option should connect to Blender options, like that. Okay. And then the last one, Blender isn't turning on, send a message. I'm going to copy this and I will paste it here. Blender isn't turning on. And I want to then copy these two. So where do you want to go next? Reply buttons. And this one, we're also going to say add a button. So different appliance will connect to choose a different appliance, and Blender options will connect to Blender options. And that should be it for this one. And one last thing for Blender, we go here and then we select, so this is at the end, at the complete right. Connect to Blender options. And now let's do toaster. So toaster, we're gonna send message. Well, I think it's actually better. So the toaster, you would do the same. So let's not make this video 1 hour long. So I think I'm just gonna delete toaster here. So that's it. Thank you for watching. You can download this file in the description below, and I provide one-on-one coaching for Intercom. You can contact me below. Thank you.